In today's video, I'll show you how to block a sender in Yahoo Mail so their messages stop reaching your inbox. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Yahoo Mail website. Sign in to your account and wait for your inbox to load. Once you're inside your inbox, find an email from the sender you want to block and open it. At the top of the message, click the three-dot menu for more options. From the drop-down, choose Block Sender. A confirmation window will appear showing the sender's email address. Click Confirm to block them. From this point forward, new messages from that address will no longer arrive in your inbox. If you prefer to manage blocked senders from settings, click the gear icon in the top right corner, select More Settings, then go to Security and Privacy. Under Blocked Addresses, you can manually add a sender's email address and save it. Keep in mind that blocking stops future emails but does not remove messages already in your inbox. That's it. You've successfully blocked a sender in Yahoo Mail.